Let's explore the exciting world of Node.js and the vast career opportunities it unlocks. This presentation will guide you on how Node.js skills can significantly advance your development career. Node.js is highly sought after in the tech industry. 98% of Fortune 500 companies are using Node.js. There are over 2 million active Node.js job openings globally. These statistics clearly indicate the strong demand for Node.js developers in the job market. Let's explore the primary development specializations for Node.js developers. You can become a backend developer, focusing on building robust server-side applications and application programming interfaces. Alternatively, you can become a full-stack developer, mastering both front-end and back-end development. Or you can specialize as a DevOps engineer, deploying and scaling Node.js applications. Let's discuss the essential technical requirements for a Node.js backend developer. Core skills include representational state transfer application programming interface development, database integration, authentication and security implementation, server performance optimization, and understanding of microservices architecture. As an example, here is an example of Express.js application programming interface code. We define a constant express, which requires express. Another constant app calls the express function. Then the application gets the application programming interface, API/users, which is an asynchronous function of request and response. The constant users gets users from the database, using the asynchronous getUsersFromDB function. The response is sent in JSON format. Finally, the application listens on port 3000. Let's explore the advantages of being a full-stack developer with JavaScript. Key benefits include using a single language across the entire stack, which leads to faster development cycles, better team communication, and higher market value. On the front end, you can use technologies like React, Vue, or Angular. On the back end, Node.js with Express is commonly used. For databases, you might work with MongoDB or Postgre structured query language. Let's examine the average annual compensation you can expect as a Node.js developer, based on your experience level. As a junior developer with 0 to 2 years of experience and a grasp of Node.js fundamentals, you can expect a salary range of $65,000 to $85,000. As a mid-level developer with 3 to 5 years of experience and familiarity with advanced frameworks and patterns, your salary range will be $85,000 to $120,000. Senior developers with 5+ years of experience, architecture skills, and leadership qualities can earn between $120,000 to $180,000. Let's explore some essential technologies to master in the Node.js ecosystem. Key frameworks include Express, a fast and minimalist web framework; Nest, which is used for building scalable enterprise applications; Fastify, which specializes in high-performance application programming interfaces; and Socket Input-Output, which is great for real-time communication. As an example, here is an example of Socket Input-Output real-time code. We define a constant input-output which requires the Socket.io library with the server as argument. The input-output is connected with the socket, and on a chat message, the input-output emits the chat message with the given message. Node.js is used by major tech giants and startups. Here are a few examples. Facebook uses it for chat systems and application programming interfaces. WhatsApp relies on it for real-time messaging. Netflix uses Node.js for its streaming infrastructure. Twitter uses it for back-end services. Trello employs it for its collaboration platform. Airbnb uses it for booking and payments. Let's explore the essential projects and best practices for building a strong Node.js portfolio. Must-have projects include building a representational state transfer application programming interface with authentication, using JavaScript Web Token, BCRYPT, and validation. Developing a real-time chat application using Socket Input-Output and Mongo database. Creating an e-commerce backend with payment integration and inventory management. And designing a microservices architecture using Docker and an application programming interface gateway. Remember to include comprehensive documentation, deploy to cloud platforms, write unit and integration tests, use Git with clear commit messages, and showcase different databases. It's time to transform your development career with Node.js expertise and unlock countless opportunities. Start by learning and practicing to master the fundamentals and build projects. Next, build a portfolio of impressive real-world applications. Finally, apply for your dream job with confidence and succeed. Your Node.js journey starts now. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.